Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to manage key bindings in GoodX Web. Key bindings in GoodX Web are keyboard shortcuts that assign specific keys to actions or commands within the platform. They help users perform tasks quickly and efficiently by allowing fast navigation between screens and access to frequently used forms without relying on menus or a mouse. Key bindings boost productivity by enabling quicker task execution, making it easier to navigate and manage the application. This tutorial video will start on the diary screen. To get started, click on the Settings button in the top right corner. The Settings screen will open. Under the Settings tab, click on the Key Bindings panel to open, where you can now manage all your key binding preferences. If you want to disable certain keys, go to the Disable Key Binding section. Enter a combination you want to disable, like Ctrl+C for copy, and click the Add button. Once added, the shortcut will appear in the Disable Key Binding list. You can also remove it by clicking on the Delete button. To create shortcuts for clinical events, go to the Key Binding for Clinical Screen section. Select a clinical event from the drop-down menu which are pre-configured at your practice. Once selected, the clinical event will be added to the key bindings list. To assign a shortcut, click on the None button next to it. Once the Enter Keystroke screen opens, you can press the desired keys on your keyboard for this event. For example, we will use Ctrl+G as a shortcut. The text on the bottom will change to show what the shortcut is. Next, we will go over how to reset and edit the list of shortcuts that have been set up. If you want to revert to system defaults, simply click the Reset to Defaults button. This will restore all the key bindings to their original settings. To edit an existing key binding, click on the corresponding button. Then press the keys you want to assign to that shortcut. Or you can click on None to remove the current shortcut set for the key binding. You can also enable or disable a key binding by ticking or unticking the checkbox next to it. Once you've made all your changes, click the Save button to apply them.